Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. You need to begin by locating and opening Recorder app. Following that, select Got It in the pop-up. Click on While using the app in the other one and Allow in Notifications one. Then hit Allow one more time to allow your recorder to access music and audio on your device. Finally, click on this gear at the top right corner and adjust all of those options before recording, like format. Tap on OK at the bottom right corner to save your changes, and when you finish, go back. Now to start recording, click on this red button. Then tap on Yes in Permission Request pop-up. Tap on Recorder. Tap on this gray switcher next to Allow Do Not Disturb. Choose Allow one more time. And finally, click on the back button. Then tap on this red one again. As you can see, finally recording is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. In order to end it and save it though, click on the square one on the right. Now click on Add Title and name your recording however you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. Then hit Save at the bottom right corner. And as you can see, my recording is over here. In order to play it, click on it. In order to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, and tap on this pin at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!